So as you can see right now, I'm doing a PCR in the lab uh, for um, for this plasmid because I want to use this promoter right here. So it's the CMV enhancer with chicken beta-actin promoter in the plasmids that will follow in the project. So I did have difficulties and issues PCRing this exact region right here in the past because as you can see right here, the CG content is insane in this promoter. So as you can see right here, so the CG content can even get to like 97%, and this is very, very difficult to PCR. I am using two different master mixes right now, so they are both from HiQ, polymerase supplier, and one is hot start and one is high fidelity. And I did use as a template just bacteria with the plasmid that I had in the freezer. So I did a direct PCR, right? I just took 2 microliters of bacteria and just put it there in the PCR reaction. I am doing a denaturation at 99 degrees, as you can see. Maybe this will help with the yield, but we'll see. So I'll keep you posted on this, and at the end of the video maybe I'll show you a gel. So another thing to mention is that I did manage to basically have these plasmids built that I was talking about in the previous video. However, I did not manage to PCR the plasmids with the EF1A promoter. I just got this one, so CMV enhancer and the CMV promoter right here. The strategy was basically the same as I told you in the previous video. If you don't know what that video is, please watch it. It will be in the description. So basically what I did is I PCR'd this portion right here. Then I PCR'd the gene from here to here. And then I assembled it. So yeah, I got, there are 2 plasmids right here that I can use for studies that will come. I will study how this GBA gene expresses in mammalian cells, but we'll see what kind of cells I'll use. And another thing to mention is, guys, just be careful when you do a diagnostic restriction digest with restriction enzymes, because the loading dye that you're using can massively affect the way your plasmid migrates. So I almost lost like 2 weeks of work because of this. My fragments basically migrated slower with about 1,000 base pairs, if you can believe that. So because the ladder had a different loading dye than the plasmids that I use, so the digest that I use, they migrated completely different, and this basically almost made me to throw away everything that I worked for in the last couple of weeks. So yeah, I had a moment of inspiration, and I said, look, wait a minute, the patterns are good. I will show you the patterns right here, and maybe I should try using the same loading dye. So yeah, you learn by mistakes, and what can I say? I'll keep you guys posted. And of course, if you want to follow my progress, you can just subscribe, and please leave a comment and leave feedback if you like these sort of videos.